Bodhicitta is often mentioned in the teachings, but what exactly is it? Honestly, I'm a bit lost with all the jargon about the different types of bodhicitta.
Bodhicitta means enlightenment mind. The word Bodhi refers to Buddha. So the word Bodhi referring to the ultimate result, which is none other than the Buddhahood. And Citta means mind, but it does not mean the mind of Buddha. It means our mind. So Bodhicitta means our mind that has the wish to attain Buddhahood. This is literally meaning of Bodhicitta. Here we are talking about the Bodhicitta of the Mahayana tradition or the Mahayana Bodhicitta. And Bodhi refers to the complete Buddha and not Saravaka Buddha or Pratyeka Buddha. This Bodhicitta actually has two classifications. One is known as the relative bodhicitta and second one is known as the ultimate bodhicitta. So when one receives the bodhicitta vow, it refers to the relative bodhicitta vow. So relative bodhicitta vow is something that we can receive from a master through our proper rituals. Relative bodhicitta also has two kinds, wishing bodhicitta and engaging bodhicitta. The difference between these two is like wish to go to a holy place or Bodh Gaya. Engaging bodhicitta is like we are really embarking on the way to Bodh Gaya. We are preparing and really embarking on the way to Bodh Gaya. It's called engaging. Just having the wish to attain Buddhahood, we cannot attain Buddhahood. For example, just having the wish to go to Bodh Gaya, Holy Land, just by having such wish, we will not reach there. After having the wish, then we have to prepare the travel documents. We are coming from abroad and also visas, and you have to pack and you have to buy air ticket and you have to fly, etc. There are many things to do to reach Bodh Gaya. So similarly, we have to do lots of dharma practice to fulfill our wish of attaining the Buddhahood. Ultimate bodhicitta is something that we cannot receive from our guru or from our master, but this ultimate bodhicitta vow should come through our own practice of relative bodhicitta, and then gradually we can develop the ultimate bodhicitta and we can receive the ultimate bodhicitta vow through our own practice and meditation.